Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems involving areas bounded by the y-axis are much faster when you invert the function. Let us solve this tricky area problem in 60 seconds. Since we are bounded by the y-axis and a horizontal line, it is easier to integrate with respect to y. Now we set up the integral of x with respect to y. The region spans from the origin at y equals 0 up to the horizontal line at y equals 4. Finally, we find the antiderivative of y squared, which is y cubed over 3. Evaluating from 0 to 4 gives us 64/3, which makes option C our winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the wrong variable trap by using the y-axis and integrating with respect to dy.